Okay, folks, everyone knows that's been in the app game for a little while understands that reviews to your app is crucially important. It helps spread the word, but it also helps convince people to download your app. Now, there is hundreds and hundreds of websites that you can achieve this on, and it all depends on what your app does, what it's based on, and so on and so forth. So if you have a local business app, obviously you want people from that region to review your app. And by doing that, you're going to have to create momentum within the local business to get app reviews for that business app. Do that. You use your QR code posters and post that within the establishment. People will download your QR code reader. They'll download the QR code, get the link, and leave a review. Okay? That is for local businesses. For all other apps, follow this type of guideline. Okay? If you've got a game app or a utility app of any sort, best Halloween costumes, party advice, recipes, anything, right? Follow this advice. Okay, so I'm at Fiverr. That's our first stop. And as you can see, the very first thing, I typed in mobile app reviews, okay? The very first thing that came up was, I'll give you a list of 450 URLs of mobile app reviewers and bloggers. So that's a great start. All the places that I'm going to show you are in your reference directory. But if you scroll through, these individuals will leave you a good review for $5. But you gotta look at their reviews and make sure that they're getting a good rating on here. Okay? And another piece of advice, Google can read what you post in here. Like if you have a YouTube video and you post it in here to buy views from somebody, Google sees that and it posts on the analytics. So to get around that, I would highly suggest typing your link to your app in a Word document, turn it into a PDF, and upload it to the purchase order that you've done in Fiverr, so that they can read the link and just leave them a message saying you've left the link on a PDF file. That way it won't be picked up by the analytics and you won't be out and looking like you've artificially created reviews and what have you. Okay? So that's the largest piece of advice I can give you when using Fiverr. Now moving right along, well, first of all, you can go through here and you can find a ton of people that are willing to download and review your app for you. So it's going to cost you a bit, but you can do it there. Now, you can go to TrueView, and these people will review your app, and you just give your app away for free, and you can join right here as a app developer, and you can invite friends and affiliates. It costs money, but again, you're going to get app reviews, you're going to get downloads, you're going to start this trend going that you want to happen. App Storm for Android, great place. You have to submit your app to a lot of these places. Not necessarily will they review it. Okay? You have to encourage them to review it and, you know, tell them what's in it for them. Send it over to them and let them do their thing. You can send it to all the places that I'm going to show you. You can hope that they review it. Some will, some won't. It all depends on the app. Okay? Apps Gone Free. Another great place to be looking for app reviews. See app reviews, app lists, app guides. Another good place. 148 apps. This is directed more towards game apps, but you can sometimes get away with what you're looking to get done. Android Zoom. Another place for getting your app noticed, getting reviews, and doing what you need to do. Oh, there's AirPush. Okay, Applicious, Android apps, You know, this is a great start, great start to get people going to your app, getting reviews on your site, and it's associated with Yahoo. Okay, AndroLib, another one. All these are along the same lines, folks. You just have to go through and find what works for you. App Planet, you have to submit, see if they'll accept and review. All top startups, this is for all types of businesses, but if you click on App Directory at the top of the page, it will bring you to this page, and look at this. Submit startup for free listing in the App Startups directory, okay? So you can put it in here, let people download it, review it, and get you going. Gadgets and gizmos, same kind of deal. App motto, same thing. Just submit your app. Hopefully they'll do a review on it. They do a review on gadgets and different things. And you can also go to free apps and submit your app for free apps. We've already done that. At digits, same thing. Gizmodo, very popular tech website. If you just scroll down and find Google Play, or you can find apps through here, Android devices, all kinds of different things like that. Submit your app. Hopefully they'll pick it up. Android right here. Hopefully they'll pick it up and run with it. But all you can do is try, right? You have to just try. Engadget, iMobile, right? I went to Engadget, clicked mobile, another site that you can submit reviews, okay? Lifehacker is a great one. If you can get them to review your gadgets or your apps, see they've got apps right here. This is a fantastic start that you can get going and get your Android app put in here, submitted for a review, and people will download it like crazy. Okay? Fandroid, also apps, topic, cover everything that you need to do. Submit, get it going, see if they'll review your app. Now here's a great one. CNET. For all of you that don't know CNET, CNET is one of the best places that you can be having your software take off. What most people don't know is that it also works for mobile applications. Okay? So to do this, you would click here and go down to cell phones. And I'm going to scroll to the bottom. Downloads, all downloads, mobile. And there you have it. Right? So you've got Android right here. You've got all the other ones. You upload your app here. Check this, advanced search. You can upload your app in here, get tons of downloads. People that use CNET are talkers. And you can get a lot of good reviews or bad reviews through here if you upload it to the store. A great avenue. A lot of people don't know this yet. Use this to your advantage. Okay. So our final step is to get people going to your app and leaving a review. You can write your own reviews, articles. Post it to websites like eZine articles under the category that your app was developed for. And have people read that, download your app, and leave their reviews. Create a trend going like that. Another place, Go Articles. Same thing. Technology, right? You could go under there, or under the niche related sector that your app was created for. You can also do a Google search on mobile app reviews. There's hundreds of blogs, hundreds of review sites. You just have to take the time, submit your app, submit what it does, and let the people decide. If you created something decent, you're going to get a reaction, and it will start the momentum going. Reviews are crucial, even if you only have 10 reviews. It is the backbone to getting the initial downloads going. Hope you've enjoyed this. See you in the next tutorial.